Hi, good day everyone. I'm Vishodhan from DKA1A and my matrix number is 06DKA21F2042. Today I'll be presenting about the front elevation and the left elevation diagram which I've drew. And before hopping into both of these, let me show you about the layer properties. As you can see, these are the layer properties, and you can see the elements here and also the colors, and here's the type of line that have been used. Let's say the apron is yellow, def points white, and dimensions as well. Doors, not sure what color is this, um, pinkish, and the color code is 243. And as you can see, the other lines are all continuous lines except for this, which was used for the porch. It's ISO dashed line, and that's all for the dimension part. And now let's see the front elevation. As you can see, in the front elevation there are three single panel three single windows and one double window, 3 panel sliding door, and this is how the rooftop is. And these are the measurement, as you can see above, of the elevation diagram. And here's the measurement from the apron to the ceiling or to the roof. It might be a bit longer. If you are wondering, like, why is this dimension longer than this point, it's because that here there's hidden, the wall is hidden up here, so the intercept of this, the outer line of the roof, and this wall is the total length of this, which is the total length of the wall, which is 3048 mm, and the thickness of this is 50 mm. It's the standard thickness. And what else? So that's all for this diagram. So now let's see this one. It's the same. The roof is a bit different. I'll explain why the roof is different later. And here there's only two windows, and the rest is the same. Okay, now I'll show you. This is the plan, and I'll show you how did I do this from the plan. So first, let's say if I'm doing the front, then I should rotate this front way. And so now, as you can see, it is rotated to the front accordingly to this. I've rotated it earlier, and you just have to pull it down. So let's say if this, here's the window, right? Okay, so what we should do is go to Windows, touch line, and then if I click right here and pull it down, you can see that the line is the same, the midline is at the same point, right? Okay, so that's how I've pulled the lines and did this drawing. Okay, so, and this is the midline, and this one I've offset 50 mm left and right for the inner part and the outer part of the window. And here you can see the sliding door. For the sliding door, it's the same as well. Here you can see the sliding door. If, let's say, I pull the sliding door, sorry, wrong line. Okay, let's say if I pull the sliding door from here, I drag it right down, and you can see the point is the exact same point here. So this is how it should be, and this applies for this line and this line as well. This one also has been offset 50 mm, and yeah, the thickness of this is 50 mm. And in case if you are wondering how did I get the extended length of the apron from the wall, then it's because of this. You have to follow this yellow line here, the apron line. Let's say if I follow this line and drag it down, then I'll be getting the same level here, the same measurement here, as you can see. So that's how it is. And other than that, okay, now I'll tell you about the roof. So yeah, I've said, right, the roof from this diagram and this diagram is different. That's because of the view. As you can see, this is the grid line, and you can see the roof here. And because here there's a triangle in front, so that's why here there's a triangle. And as you can see, the shape here at the background, and this is the shape of the roof at the background as well. Here you can see it, right? And the roof is also the same. This is the ending point of the roof. Like say if I were to pull a line from here, it will be the same as the end point of the roof here. See, it's the exact it is at the exact same point, right? So yeah. And so now I'll show you the properties of the window doors and also the sliding door. So for a sliding door, each panel has a width of 1000 mm and length and height of 2210 mm. The thickness of this is 50 mm. And now let's move on to the window. For the window, this is double panel window, and for the double panel window, the width from the midline to the midline here is 1270 mm. From each panel has a width of 610, while the height is 1650. And this for the door. The thickness of this door is 25 mm. The width of this part is 50, and the length of this is 150. So this is single panel window. It's same as that, but the difference is only in the number 610 here, the width, and the length is 1650. That's all. And okay, now in case you are wondering how did I do the roof, okay, for the roof, what I've done is here, as you can see, I've done this to minimize the time. So let's say I were to click the line and click this point right here, and then click 30 degree, enter. I'll be getting a line like this, and wait, sorry, okay, I'll be getting a line like this, and then I should click mirror. So select this object, which is the roof, the outer line of the roof, and then enter and find the midpoint right here. So this is the midpoint when you see the triangle, and just click this, click no, and then you can trim the excess part of the roof, and here you'll get the roof. And for the color in the roof, just have to click H. You can see H here, and click this one. If you put here, then you get the color. So yeah, this is how the roof is done. Okay. Okay, this is how the roof is done. And here you can see the roof is different. Okay, here all are the same as I have explained. And yeah, here you can see the roof is different because here you can see the triangle is here at the left hand side. So here the triangle is at the left hand side, and you have to follow this shape here. You can see the shape right here, right? So this is what is visible if you were to see the roof, if you were to see the house from this position, from straight here. So this is how it looks like. And here there's a beam, the wall here, and for this the thickness is 150. Why is that so? Because um, here the thickness of each wall is 150. We have used the same thing. Also pull down the same length, pull down from here and also pull down from here, and you'll get the thickness of this. So that is how we have got. And if yeah, nothing much I guess. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.